Hello, students. Hope you are all happy, healthy, and cheerful. So, today is your English class, and I will continue the same chapter, the same story, Foggy Figure. The figure or the creature that appears in fog. Hope you remember what is fog. I have already shown you the picture. So, let's continue the story. Uncle Amar did have a good imagination. He'd been telling Samir and Sarah stories for years, but this was the first scary story ever. Sarah had a feeling it wasn't made up. Sarah shook her head. Remember what Uncle Amar said. The foggy figure haunts the lake. We are on the deck. Maybe that's why we can't see him. So Uncle Amar had a good imagination power to tell stories to Sarah and Sami. He has been telling them stories for years. But this story was little scary, and Sarah thought that this is not a made up story. This is a true story. And Sarah said to Samir, Uncle Amar told us that foggy figure haunts the lake. Haunts means visit the lake. Okay, visit. Used to come on the lake, and maybe we are standing on the dock, so we cannot see him. Okay, do you want to go onto the water? Samir asked. Sarah looked around trying to find Uncle Amar's boat, but the fog was too thick. So Samir said, "Do you want to go onto the water?" Sarah started looking here and there so that she could find Uncle Amar's boat. Maybe she thought Uncle Amar will come with his boat, but the fog was too thick. The fog was very thick because it was 5 o'clock in the morning of winters. Okay, I'll go first, said Samir. He crept towards the end of the dock. So Samir said, I will go first. Wait. He moved toward the end of the dock. Okay, at the end. He could barely see the outline of the boat. He was not able to see the outline of the boat that was tied to the dock. He carefully got into the boat and then reached for Sarah's hand. Sarah climbed into the boat and sat beside him. She was getting nervous now that they were on the water. So Sarah, he anyhow he reached and sat in the boat, and then he asked Sarah's hand, "Come, I will take you inside the boat." And Sarah got into the boat, and she sat beside him. Okay, she sat next to him, and she was very nervous that they were on water. They were in the boat and nobody was there. This only these two children were there, and it was 5 o'clock in the morning. Can you see anything? Asked Sarah. They looked around, and gradually the fog began to lift. And Sarah asked, "Can you see anything? Anything visible to you?" And they looked around. They look here and there, and what they feel that something is lifting behind them. Okay, began to lift, moving upward. Okay, slowly something is moving upward. Sarah turned around and screamed. So Sarah, when she felt that, she turned around. She turned back and screamed. Screamed means shout. She started shouting. The foggy figure. It was in the boat with them. She said, "The foggy figure. It is here in the boat with us, and we are searching here and there, and the foggy figure is in the boat." Samir and Sarah hugged each other in fear, but then they heard a laugh. Samir leaned towards the foggy figure. "Uncle Amar." So Samir and Sarah hugged each other. They were very frightened. They were very shocked that foggy figure is behind them, and they hugged each other. Um, they hugged each other, and then they heard a laugh, and then they heard a someone is laughing, and Samir leaned towards the foggy. Then Samir bent towards the foggy figure and said, "Uncle Amar." So that was not a foggy figure, that was Uncle Amar. "I knew that story would get you two out of bed early enough to take a boat ride with me." So Uncle Amar said that I wanted you to take on a boat ride, and if I will I thought if I will tell this story, you both will wake up early and will come for the boat ride. Sarah felt happy. that there was no foggy figure after all. Samir looked relieved too. Sarah was now happy. Okay, finally there is no foggy figure. There is no ghost. There is no ghostly creature. It was Uncle Amar, and Samir also felt relaxed. Now he was also feeling relaxed. He was not nervous now. Uncle Amar laughed and said, I am hungry. What do you say? I have packed breakfast for us. So Uncle Amar laughed and said, okay, I'm hungry. I'm very hungry. I have not eaten anything. And what do you say? Whether you both are hungry or not, I have packed breakfast. I have brought breakfast. Sarah smiled. She remembered smelling hot chocolate in the kitchen. So Sarah started smiling. Okay, that was the hot chocolate I smelt in the morning. Okay, hot chocolate smell was coming from the kitchen, and Uncle Amar was making it. Uncle Amar had also baked pastries for them. So Uncle Amar made for them what? Hot chocolate and pastries. Okay, for the breakfast. They had a memorable boat ride in the company of so called foggy figure. So they enjoyed the boat ride. It was very memorable, and the foggy figure was Uncle Amar. So today's homework, that was the story. Hope you enjoyed it. And don't forget to read the chapter, enjoy the story, listen to the video, and watch the video twice or thrice so that it will be easy for you to understand and answer the questions. So open your page number 9 in activity book for homework. So this is the page. Describe the foggy figure in your own words. Sketch the foggy figure and scene around. So you have to make a foggy figure of your choice. Okay, and describe it, that my foggy figure is like this, my foggy figure is like that. Okay, and make a beautiful foggy figure of your own. Okay, and write something about it. Okay, or 5 6 sentence. Next question: a compound noun is formed by adding two different nouns together. Identify the compound nouns in the word in the following word puzzle. So here you can see compound nouns. Have you remember two nouns? When we join two nouns, it become a compound noun. So I have done one for you: white fish. Similarly, you have to find other compound nouns in this word puzzle. Okay, and do it carefully. So hope you have understood the work. Do it in your activity book and write in proper handwriting. Neat and clean work should be done by you. So hope you have understood. Thank you and have a nice day.